My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by this site Ocelised.xyz. Ocelised.xyz stands for a new dangerous site that targets Google Chrome and other browsers. Ocelised.xyz tries to make you basically scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by Ocelised.xyz, don't interact with these fake alerts and leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research the system with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.